Good morning everyone. Myself Shamit Pradasi. I study in class 7. Pollution is a harmful material into environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Thank you.
Start.
Your music may be someone else's noise. Keep the volume down, reduce sound pollution.
The more you boost the noise, the faster you lose your voice.
Noise pollution is a less important topic because it does not affect us immediately like other types of pollution impact us. But it does not mean that noise pollution is a less important topic to be aware of. It is required to know what are the causes of it and how to overcome it. There are various damaging effects of noise pollution on human health, and we do everything from our end to manage, control and prevent noise pollution.
As you all can see in this decibel scale, our breath creates 10 dB voice, and at the top our when we burn firecrackers, it creates 150 dB noise. So burn firecrackers but in limit. Thank you.